Hey guys, first round of the day. So what we see here is a Canarm spinner model P-36. So I got this fan from for a trade actually. I traded him. I got this fan from Brandon E. Johnson, and we traded. I traded him my 4 seasons Galaxy. Galaxy Select fan, and it seemed to be a pretty good child fan of him. So, and yeah, I got this. It had a long Don rod. Well, see, Don rod's not original. It came from that's on this band right here. So this is 36-inch ball socket, reverse pull chain, white finish. A pretty generic spinner, generic Canadian spinner. It's got the nice gold iron motor. Lights have a good pitch. I kind of increase the pitch a little bit. Yep, just like a generic switch cap. There's a reverse pull chain. There's like the pull chain had kind of like broke, but it still works. July of 1991. So this is from 1991. Whoops. Yeah, or something to show. Without any further ado, let's put the fan on low speed. Oh yeah, it did come with one pull chain, but I just decided to remove it. This fan can be seen, well, I can link down Brandon's video, this exact fan. And he gave it to me when he went at my house for the second time. My fans were still in the basement at this time. It's a pretty good it's a very good low speed. Yeah, I love the low speed on this thing. So now, here's medium speed. Now, medium speed is pretty slow. I mean, it's like not as fast as like regular spinners. So medium's a bit on the slow side. Yeah, it has a bit of a wobble. Whole thing starts to dance. And now here's high. Whoops. Yeah, wobble starts to kick in. We can actually hear everything from this fan. It's so quiet around here. We only hear the birds outside, and that's it. It makes a slight clicking noise, I guess from the cab. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.